Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch, you will need to have a couple of things. First, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy Wearable application. Another thing you need to do or have is to connect your watch to the internet. Doesn't matter if it's Wi-Fi or some mobile network. And last thing, you will need to have a Google account copied from the phone to your watch so you can use Google services on your watch. And once you have all of those things, we can continue. And now we can download the watch faces in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch by using the Google Play Store, and the other way is to do it through the Galaxy Wearable application, and there you can download some additional watch faces. I'm gonna show you the both ways, but first let's start with the directly on the watch. So on the watch, if you have the internet connection and Google account copied to it, you can simply open the Play Store by swiping up, finding the Play Store icon and tapping on it. And in the Play Store you can search for the category watch faces, or you can basically tap on search and type in watch face if you want to. I'm just gonna open the category, so I'm gonna find this one, style your watch, and tap on it. And here we have a list of watch faces, and you can scroll through it, look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you are interested in, you can tap on it. And here we have the description, screenshots, and reviews. So you can check it out, and once you decide to install the watch face, tap on install button, then tap on the check mark, and after it's done installing you may see this button. Basically it will tell you that you can set it automatically, but as you can see after a second or two it disappeared, and I believe the watch face got set automatically on our watch. We're gonna test that, so we're gonna go back. And it is set, as you can see. If it wasn't, you can always open watch face menu and look for it here. And if it's not here on this list, you can tap on add watch face, scroll through this list, and at the bottom, I believe the watch face will be there. Oh, my bad. Come on. Yeah, it's here, but for some reason I can't scroll down. Oh, here it is. And you can tap on it. It will be added to this list right here, the watch face menu, and then you can tap on it to apply it. And that's how you install watch faces directly on the watch. Now, to do it through the phone application, through the wearable application, open the app, tap on watch faces, and here you have some watch faces with the download button on them. And basically that means you can download them. And to do that, you tap on the watch face, it will start downloading, but it will ask you first to log in into a Samsung account. And something went wrong with my account for some reason, because it says that it has problems with like accessing my Samsung account, and it won't download the watch face. But normally if you log in into a Samsung account, it will let you download the watch face, and it will be basically appear again right here, but it won't have the download button. You can tap on it again and it will be appearing right here on the list, and it should apply automatically, but if it doesn't, you can simply tap on it to apply it. And I'm not sure how to fix this problem, mine, but I think I just need to basically clear the app out of data, some cache and stuff like that, and then probably it will ask me to log in into a Samsung account again, and hopefully that will fix my problem. So you could try that. Of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.